I'm starting the recording again kasi napaong na po kalit akong 360. Now, karon nindot nag-view. Look at the bridge. Another bump. So what I'll do kung na-bump is minor gamay and that should do it. So normally kung na-bumps, especially here in the Philippines, kanang na-bridge, and I don't know why ang engineers, you know, may mga connection ba when the road is being fixed or being renovated. I'm just not sure why they will give out an extra elevation. So maybe it's because of skill or maybe just they just don't care. Kay sa loop-loop na ko, nagyoy certain areas nga bisag na pay bridge, smooth kaayo. So that means it's doable. So contractors on fixing the roads should try to make the road much evener, no overlaps. Ah, there's a sport bike behind me. Wow. Uh, Tapos andun. Woo! This is life. So that's the sports bike just behind me. Wow, duha ka buok ng butso. It's also Ninja. So I think it's also a 650. Yeah, KTM t-shirt. Let's see. Sunod na siya. Traffic! Traffic here. Oh my god, I cannot believe traffic there. So be careful, pasig na mo lang pagkalit. Even though this is a highway, you know, Filipinos, they can do whatever they want. So I think it's because of El Corso. The traffic is generated because people are doing U-turns there. This is a highway. This should be like no U-turns and people should be just doing the U-turn on the bridge. But no. The businesses are influential enough nga mo influence sila sa mga rules sa traffic. So, diri dapita, this is SRP. Uh, um, pwede na siya pwede na siya sana mag U-turn tungod sa SM and because of this new star. So Yeah, sacrificing the convenience of the traffic of the citizen just for business. So, and there's like a U-turn just sa Tumoy, just below the bridge. Then why are they not using it? They sacrifice the entire traffic of this road nga hinuon mao gid taon ni highway diri sa Cebu nga makabulot ka. And then karon daga kay mag U-turn. Ah, sa buka ni. Yeah. I don't want to touch politics. Nag-traffic na kay nay nag U-turn dito. Possibly. We'll just check. Kung maabot na dito. Ah. So there is a Cebu. There's only this highway in the Cebu city. This is the only way. This is the only highway where we can try to accelerate or in reclamation area. And now here there's a point there na maka U-turn. Or maybe there's an accident. I don't know. So we'll just see. But that's the reality. Before, people are not allowed to do U-turns here, and now maka U-turn na on two specific location. The Olsa SM, it's not U-turn. It's like from SM going out to SRP. Okay, I'm going there, El Corso, and I'm actually not planning to buy anything there. So I brought my own pickup coffee, and dito na ako mag-hangout on my own, loner, antisocial. So at the same time, nag-testing ko ani. Overtakes siya. He's on a hurry. I'm doing U-turn, so I should stick on the right. So this is the U-turn that I'm talking about. All cars should be doing U-turns here, and for some reason, wala nila nigigamit because they want the convenience of the customer from SM and New Star. Motong imbis mo diri tanan mag U-turn adto na noon dito duol gid sa ilang road, sa ilang crossing. So it's such a pity. I hopefully lang. I actually do not know about the details, but that's how I see it on my point of view. But yeah, hopefully they have enough proof to defend what they are doing. Because I want them. If I'll be a politician, I should defend whatever I decided for the public. I should go there. I might try it out and go there. Yeah, there's a guba diri nga boat. Yeah, it's nice to hang out there. And yeah, semi bati ang daan diri. And then yeah, wala ko lagi diri. Dito lagi kaagi diri. Night guard diri. Soroy na guide. Soroy lang. Ato ko dito, na dito ko mag-standby. Pwede dili ra po ko. Dili ra ko manigarilyo na lakaw ra po ko. Pwede ra. Dili yun. Si makasukan ka. Ato na ko speakers, naman dito speakers nya. Mulusot pag ko luyo sa kuan ba. Mukuha gyud. Mukagawa gyud dito. Oo. Amin ako, ang motor makatagak yun. Sige, sige. Kaya mo ko, di pwede. Ako lang gisuwayan. So dili mo sugot kay nako na yung marshal mo bantay niya. So dili ta ko mag-hangout kung pwede lang. Kas kung buntag rin nindot man ning hideout diri. Di kanindot ang daan diri but it's a good place to hide. Diha mi mag-standby ay kana area. And then diha mi mag-parking. That's nice place to hang out. See kita nimong ports, boats. Hopefully wala yung mga foreign object mo pilit sa akong ligid diri. So ang gears, I'm happy with the oil that I just placed in. Inipilit yun. Mailad makuha yung mga pintal sa daan, motor, pinakog, baong. So di pa rin mao. Kaduha lang. Nindot pa sa to dito. I heard something na nag-vibrate. I have to investigate what it is. So romantic baboy. Suki kami diha. And this one, what's this? Sea View. I remember passing by there and the sales nila said nga they have the best chicharon bulaklak in Cebu. So maybe I'll try that. Maybe he's telling the truth or she's telling the truth. Ito ba naman to? Going to exit. I'm going here. Slowly kay dagang tao diri nahinay lang. I'll maybe hang out for a smoke and proceed with where I'm going, which still I don't know. I have no plans on. This is my plan lang, hang out. On a car. Panahon ng car. Slow ride technique. Asa man sila ron? So nay boundary ag agianan di dapita nga makahalak dagko na laging ga parking. Dagko na laging nag-parking diri. Nangguwa na eh. Dagko na nakibawang standby diri. No, na puno kay tanan no. I did not know nga inana diri nga kuan. Mo puno din yung parking diri. I think mapuno lang kay napuno na ning parking on this other side. So kaning road diri mura rin siya gamay kayong oval. And ay gamayng off-road. And then wato ka sa tumoy mag-parking na kay access sa beach. Pwede ra ka mag-parking sa kilid. Hopefully, pwede ra sa kilid dan. Wala may gabantay. Parking ko diya. Order dito. Nara ko diya sa kilid. Hopefully walay lansang diri. And that's it.